Good morning, students. Today I am going to start the poem Prayer of the Woods written by Anonymous in front of you through this video. I hope this video will be very helpful to you for the examination point of view. I am the heat of your hearth on the cold winter night. This is the first line. I am the heat of your hearth on the cold winter night. The friendly shade screening you from the summer sun. And my fruits are refreshing draught quenching your thirst as you journey on. So what do you think of these lines? What do you think? Who are saying these words and to whom? In this poem, this is a request or a beseech request from the side of woods to the passers-by or the travelers who are passing through the forest. When any human being who is passing through the forest seems to request him, I am the heat of your heart on the cold winter night. ਮੈਂ ਠੰਡੀਆਂ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਰਦੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਠੰਡੀਆਂ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਚੁੱਲ੍ਹਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਅੱਗ ਬਣਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਮੀਨਸ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਗਰਮਾਉਂਦਾ ਹਾਂ. The friendly shade screening you from the summer sun. ਤੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਮਿੱਤਰਤਾ ਪੂਰਵਕ ਛਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਗਰਮੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਾਹਤ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ. And my fruits are refreshing draughts. Refreshing draught ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ? Quenching your thirst as you journey on. ਮੇਰੇ ਫਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜੂਸ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪਿਆਸ ਮਿਟਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਯਾਤਰਾ ਦੇ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਿਆਸਾ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ. I am the beam that holds your house. ਮੈਂ ਉਹ ਹਾਂ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਬੀਮ ਬਣੇ ਹੋਏ ਹਨ. ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਘਰ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਟਿਕਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ. The board of your table. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟੇਬਲ ਜਿਸ ਤੇ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖਾਣਾ ਖਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਹੋ, ਮੈਂ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਤਖਤਾ ਹਾਂ, ਬੋਰਡ ਹਾਂ. The bed on which you lie. ਉਹ ਬੈੱਡ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਸ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੌਂਦੇ ਹੋ. And the timber that built your boat. Their boat. ਅਤੇ ਉਹ ਲੱਕੜ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਕਸ਼ਤੀਆਂ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ. So these lines are very well telling us or showing us the intention of the trees, and the lines are also appealing. In these lines, the trees or the forest seems to request the human beings or the passers-by not to harm them, because all the trees are the friend of the human beings. Second paragraph. I am the handle of your hoe, the door of your homestead. In this poem, in the next lines, in the next paragraph, the forest says to the human beings, I am the handle to which we hand some instrument or any tool. I am the handle of your hoe. Hoe is an agricultural tool which is used in the gardens or parks to remove the weeds from the plants. I am the handle of your hoe and the door of your homestead. Homestead is your home and your farmhouse. I am the door. From the woods we used to make or normally make the doors and windows of our homes. The wood of your cradle. Cradle, a short bed for the small babies. And the shell of your coffin. Coffin is the box in which dead bodies are buried. So these two lines shows from birth to death these words helps the human beings and they makes their life easier. So these lines are very appealing, and these lines are also very touching because they also realize the reality of the life of the human beings. I am the bread of kindness and the flower of beauty. Yea, who passes by, listen to my prayer, harm me not. I am the bread of kindness. In these two lines, these are the last lines, and these are also very touching or very deep lines. I am the bread of kindness. I need your kindness, your honest, your politeness, your friendly relations, and the flower of beauty. And I am the flower of beauty. I also spread beauty. Hey, who passes by? Ye means you. You who passes by, who is for human beings. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੋ ਜੰਗਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗੁਜ਼ਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਨਿਕਲ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, listen to my prayer. ਮੇਰੀ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਸੁਣੋ. harm me not. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਨਾ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਵੋ. So this is the poem of prayer of the words, and it's a prayer from the side of forest and trees to the human beings. You can also say it's a beseech or it's a request in which the forest make their humble request to the human beings not to cut them, not to harm them, because they are their friends. So in the examination point of view, you will find the central idea of this poem. I think this poem is very understandable and easy to understand and to write, and all of you can very well write the central idea of this poem in your exam. And also some comprehensive questions you also get to write in the exam also. So I think there should be no problem regarding this poem. If otherwise you have any query, then you can contact me and you can comment me at the section below. Thank you very much.